10 most weird and fascinating things on Earth you had no idea existed. The Earth is wonderfully weird. From tiny puddle-dwelling creatures that can survive in outer space to a paint so dark that your eyes can't actually even see it, the Earth is filled with plenty of strange and incredible things. Here are a handful of things on this planet that you probably had no idea existed. 1. Vantablack. Vantablack is the darkest known substance in the universe. Vantablack is a nanomaterial that is darker than any other substance on Earth. It was developed in the UK by Surrey Nanosystems in 2015 and is actually a collection of vertical carbon tubes that are grown on a substrate. Vantablack absorbs 99.98% of the light that hits its surface. This means that the human eye technically sees nothing when it looks at Vantablack, making it the closest thing to staring into a black hole. 2. The blue angel sea slug, Glaucus atlanticus, looks like an alien. Glaucus atlanticus is a species of sea slug nicknamed the blue angel. This otherworldly creature is as rare as it is beautiful and is only found on the coasts of South Africa and Australia. The slug's mesmerizing looks belie a dangerous nature. The blue angel is carnivorous and feeds on other venomous sea creatures, such as the Portuguese man-o' war. It collects the venom from its prey in specialized sacs, concentrates it, then uses the venom on future prey. 3. Aerogel. Aerogel looks like a slice of cloud. Aerogel is an ultralight material made from gel and gas. It's been nicknamed frozen smoke or solid cloud because of its ethereal appearance. Scientists have created more than a dozen recipes for different types of aerogel, but they all share a similar process: mix chemicals together, let them settle into a wet gel, and then suck all of the liquid out. The result is a substance of extremely low density that is actually 99% air. Because it's made primarily of air, and air is such a terrible heat conductor, placing a layer of aerogel between a flower and a flame will protect the flower from getting destroyed. 4. There's an underground cathedral in Colombia entirely made of salt. The Salt Cathedral of Zipaquira is an underground Roman Catholic church in Cundinamarca, Colombia, that was excavated from a salt mine in 1954. It is completely made of salt and is located 180 meters below the surface of the small town of Zipaquira. The cathedral includes a giant salt cross and can accommodate up to 10,000 people, though it has never been filled to capacity. And it's among the 7 wonders of Colombia. 5. Goblin sharks. Goblin sharks are living fossils that look straight out of a nightmare. Goblin sharks are a rare species of deep-sea shark that are sometimes referred to as living fossils. They are the only known remaining member of the ancient Mitsukurinidae family of sharks. Goblin sharks are notable for their distinctive elongated jaws, which are filled with nail-like teeth. They are able to detect the electrical currents emitted by other animals and rapidly extend their jaws in order to snatch up prey. It's impossible to fully appreciate how horrifying this is without seeing footage of a goblin shark attacking its prey. This creature was actually the inspiration for the neomorph in Alien, Covenant, according to Digital Spy. 6. Bismuth. Bismuth is an element with a psychedelic surface. You may remember the chemical element bismuth from your high school chemistry class, but you probably had no idea that it has a colorful, iridescent appearance. Bismuth has a unique, stair-step, growth pattern, in which the outer edges form more quickly than the inner areas, according to Live Science. This results in a crystalline structure that appears to be made of interlocking rainbow squares. 7. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano. This volcano in Indonesia spews bright blue lava. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano is remarkable for its tendency to emit oozing waves of what appears to be blue and purple lava. Technically, the lava itself isn't blue. According to Smithsonian Magazine, The fascinating coloration comes from high quantities of sulfuric gas that emerges along with the lava. When the gas catches fire, it burns with a bright hue that makes the lava appear to be electric blue. 8. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a mysterious book written in an untranslatable language. The Voynich Manuscript is a 240 pages medieval tome written in an unknown language that has baffled scholars and code breakers for years. The manuscript is believed to have originated sometime between 1404 and 1438. It is filled with enigmatic illustrations and diagrams that seem to depict everything from unusual plants to women with swollen bellies bathing in green pools. All attempts to translate the book's text or identify the plants depicted in it have failed. In January 2018, a group of Canadian computer scientists announced that they may have had some limited success decoding parts of the manuscript using AI. The researchers, however, admitted that further refinement of the process and input from scholars is needed. 9. Point Nemo. The most inaccessible place in the world is called Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the furthest point from land on Earth. Officially known as the Oceanic Point of Inaccessibility, it's located in the center of the triangle made by Juicy Island, Motunui, part of the Easter Island chain, and Maya Island near Antarctica. It is so far from land that the closest humans to Point Nemo are usually astronauts. The International Space Station orbits the Earth from a distance of about 258 miles, while the closest inhabited spot to Point Nemo is more than 1,670 miles away. 10. Tardigrades. Tardigrades are microorganisms that can survive in outer space. Tardigrades, also called water bears or moss piglets, are fascinating microorganisms that can survive just about anywhere. They prefer to hang out in moist places like mud or moss, but according to Smithsonian Magazine, the creatures can survive in environments at least as cold as -328 degrees Fahrenheit, -200 degrees Celsius, or as hot as 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 degrees Celsius. Scientists have also found that water bears can survive radiation, boiling liquids, pressures more than 6 times that of the deepest part of the ocean, and even the vacuum of space. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Give a second of your precious time, and hit the subscribe and like button and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video soon.